Welcome back to my morning report. Charts appraisals on Friday the 29th of May with me, Rich Pro Market Analyst at Hantech Markets. Moving on to dollar yen now, and this dollar yen chart is interesting, isn't it? Because we've had this big breakout above 122 figure that actually gave us an upside target of 125.70. However, are we now starting to see this this move begin to roll over? We had a candle yesterday that sort of closed pretty much around the midpoint of the day, so that would suggest that bulls are to a certain extent in control, but not massively with high conviction anymore, lacking conviction. RSI over 70 and potentially beginning to roll over. Stochastics beginning to turn lower. MACD lines, or the MACD histogram, also lower histogram on there. So perhaps we are beginning to see the turn down or a bit of profit taking, and I will show you on this hourly chart why I think that, because we've still got this continuation of this move yesterday. I mean, I talked about this yesterday, these bearish divergences on the RSI and MACD lines. You've continued to see that in the past 24 hours. You saw a higher high yesterday on the price, 124.46. You had a lower high on the MACD and RSI again. So it seems to be that we're beginning to lose impetus in this move. Now, the support you're looking out for, I think, is 23.47, which is a reaction low. But it sort of would be sort of the support of this, arguably this consolidation pattern now that you've got here. It could also turn into a top pattern if it broke down, and then I think we could see a move back, and 22.75 is the next level. But I think what you'd see is if that did start to correct, you'd see a move back towards the 22 figure area, which is that big key breakout. Now, I'm not saying that this is the start of a big bear correction. I'm just saying that I think that if you're running long positions, I'd be very cautious around about now, because you're seeing these sort of big bearish divergences. In the last hour, in fact, you've seen a bearish outside hour. So that would suggest again that you're starting to see this sort of sell signals tot up, and I think that you could be on the brink of a bit of a correction. I don't think it's going to be a massive correction. I think 22 figure would be around about where I'd be looking out for this pullback to come to. However, I think there are the signs there of a correction in this dollar yen chart. Obviously, a move above 24.46 would help the bulls, but even then you may still see a continuation of this bearish divergence, and if that is the case, then I would say that we're still in the realms of a possible correction. So I wish you good luck in your trading on dollar yen today. Be cautious, and I wish you good luck, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.